Every metal fab shop is different, and each serve different purposes, but they all have one thing in common: they need good work tables. And Flextur makes excellent welding tables and workstations. The Flextur weld table's precision, craftsmanship, and versatility help get the products we make done quickly and as efficiently as possible. It's an all-in-one tool, especially since Flextur features Gridlock, the strongest 14-gauge metal pegboard, so you have all your tools within reach. Foster Welding put the Flextur table through the shop test by grinding, welding, cutting, finishing, etc., and it passed with flying colors. We've made over $1 million of products on this welding table and have literally only scratched the surface. If you're thinking about getting Flextur workstations and weld tables, don't think about it, just get them. You won't be disappointed.